Hey, I'm Karl Kyler, your San Diego Realtor, and in today's property tour, I'm taking you through this really stunning, fully renovated property in OB up on the hill. It's a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, and I'm gonna tell you this, the kitchen with the living room layout is, I think, picture perfect. It's got beautiful sunlights, canister lights. The master bathroom is done in a very OB-esque way. In addition, there's some awesome aspects of the backyard, which I'll share with you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this tour, and I'll see you on the end. Well, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this tour of this just stunning, beautiful, very entertainer friendly OB lifestyle home here up on the hill in OB. So you don't have to deal with the traffic down low. Obviously you still deal with it getting in and out, but you don't deal with it on the daily. It's super quiet up here with the exception of the OB Point Loma Pause. Now, if you're interested in taking a private tour of this home, reach out to me directly. I have my contact information below. And if you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe and check out all the content that I post here on my channel regarding the San Diego real estate lifestyle. I have Sunday Market Matters that drop almost every Sunday, giving you updates on the weekly things that are happening in San Diego, as well as other educational, informative content that helps you in your selling and buying process here in San Diego. Any thoughts, questions, or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out. As always, I'm Karl Kyler, your San Diego Realtor. I'll see you next video.